Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to talk about mice. And some rats. So about 15 years ago, I went and I picked up this Rat 7 mouse. I think I paid about $100 for it. It was used, in original box, and still about $100. And you can tell it's about that old because there's no LEDs. This is from back in the day when you didn't need LEDs to have cool things. Now, of course, even cheap things directly from China have the LEDs, and you can't have a gaming system without rocking some of the LED power. So today, I want to talk about the dollar store Tech1 Gaming Mouse. Oh, mon dieu. Only $4, and you can tell it's more of a gaming mouse than the Rat 7 because it has LEDs, and that's all that people care about. Doesn't matter what's in your system as long as you have good LEDs. Look at the pretty lights, Mom. So yeah, let's take a look and see what a real dollar store gamer mouse is like. Okay, I thought this was just like a $3 mouse that I picked up previously from eBay, but I'm interested to find out that, geez, look at this, got some fabric, some woven fabric along the cable. That's pretty nice, I gotta say. Now, you'll notice we are missing the forward and back button that all the other mice have, but hey, this has LEDs, and that's all that's important, right? Now, this box seems to advertise we can take the sides off. I think that's false advertising because it looks like this side is firmly molded to the side of the mouse. I'm also noticing pretty quickly that we don't have the DPI button in order to make the sucker move around faster. So, while it does work, I guess all that it takes to be a gaming mouse is some LEDs. Is that it? So I got to thinking, maybe this mouse is sentient and is actually a gamer, as in it itself likes to play games, but hasn't been working out so well. Doom is not pleased with this flickering playability. My 3-year-old son has more talent. He just stands there. At least my son walks in circles. Anyways, yeah, not bad for $4. Let's face it, mice wear out, and every now and then you need a new one. That's just how it goes. If you got the money, if you need it, you might as well pick one up, because Lord knows with the way inflation's going, this stuff's going to be about $10 this time next month. Anyways, that's it for me, Nev from Nev's Tech. Let's have a good one, folks, and take care of each other, will ya?